angisakufuni wena useless yazi mina manje ngamiswa imoto la estradeni no ukutshengisa ukuthi ngubani ngakureplace nge 3 minutes naloko ketso wakho I'm sure movie nane scoop samatseketseke
ngamreplace nge 3 seconds
no wena yo yangikhulisa lo mfana angifuni yabona manyakinyanya uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini nyakinyanya
no
uyahlanya uyangihlanyela ngizi lapho angizikini ngicela uthathe yonke into yami engishiye lapho ipaka ingilethele zona
wayithanda ikoda
naki lo mfana lo takwe izolo yazi uhlekisa ngam njengoba bahle namajenti sholi bayenza ama joke ku loud speaker
awayithanda ikoda
ngiyayithanda and ufuna ukuthi manje maybe sambe sishawa umoya sokhuluma but then mina ngiziboni ngumuntu ozophinda akhulume naye after today ungihethile because of mina bengicabanga ukuthi awuthule wena awuthule angikhulumi nawe bengicabanga ukuthi umuntu wami engithi maybe so build something because ne interest uyayishow as much as nami ngimtshengisa interest isamba ngiyavakasha kubo uyeza kithi kanti umuntu onje like ama last minute angenza into ezikanje sesenza into eziningi sithu sha bafana
so ni hang up
yeah ayisekho into engizoyikhuluma naye
hayi
ayisekho ungenza islima kabhlungu kanje
keshisa so manje so single
hayi ngisinile
but why ngathi you wanna replace him fast so you wanna get someone quickly like just like that don't you think you need time to heal
I need time to heal. The reason ngize ngithi kuye ngakreplace fast so it's because ngifuna ukumtshengisa ukuthi ngiyashelwa ngaphandle asuye kuphela umuntu engizothi maybe ngiyakhalela kuye angishelwa yabo so ngifuna ukumtshengisa ukuthi no if bengifuna umunye umuntu mina ukureplace ngizoreplace kodwa manje mina angikho emudini ukuthi ngizofuna another partner because of angikho right emoyeni
okay right
angikho right after le call
no touch break yabo
yeah ngibe right ngihile maybe ngizomthola umunye umuntu right uzoba nama pure intentions engizothi maybe singena ku challenges so next time see you win 1,000
yeah
so
can you advise viewers like can you give them any general advice about relationships
oh okay guys mina advice ami ngizonika yona ne umfana mawuzojola naye ungamuphi yonke inhliziyo yakhe ungamtshengisa ukuthi uyamthanda introduce kini ungakamboni ukuthi umuntu onjani already kangakanani and ungasacrifice ukuphuma kini uxabane nabantu bakini ukuthi uyombona because of wow njoba nje kenzakala leso ziningi izinto nami ngisacrificeile for lo mfana lo and ngiyazisola